ungewöhnlicher Vortrag vor so einem Publikum, als Designer zu sprechen. Form follows Function. Wer hat das eigentlich designt? Das Auto der oder der Lamborghini.
Now, when I was assigned this topic, I have to admit that it was a little bit of a head scratcher. I thought to myself, what does form follows function really mean? And how exactly could it apply to orthopedic surgery? It's said to have been coined by the architect Louis Sullivan, related to modern skyscraper design. And he felt the form of a building should follow its function. But that was distilled down to the concept of less is more. You know a lot about that because of the Bauhaus disciples that you're all familiar with. So I thought about that for a little while, and I realized that it is true that there's an analogy between orthopedic surgery and architecture. And when we design implants or procedures for reconstruction, we are in essence performing the role of an architect in designing a building. And then when we actually do the surgery, we're performing the job of the construction company. Simpler implants and procedures are better. As the architect said, less is more. Second, respect the biology. For a biologic organism, biologic answers are best. Biologic form and function should follow one another. And lastly, respect the body's own form. It's evolved over millions of years. And the closer we reproduce the body's own form with our surgeries, the better the function ultimately should be.